Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering grilling hacks to BBQ like a pro, even though I'm a total beginner. In this video, you'll learn essential grilling hacks that will elevate your BBQ skills and impress your friends and family. Many beginners face challenges when it comes to grilling, and I'm no exception. I've been there too, suffering through burnt burgers and undercooked hot dogs. It's frustrating when you put in the effort, but the results just don't live up to your expectations. One of the biggest issues is uneven cooking. You've probably experienced this before. Some parts of your meat are perfectly cooked while others are raw or burnt to a crisp. It's a real problem that can ruin a perfectly good meal. Another challenge is dealing with flare-ups. Those sudden bursts of flame can be intimidating, and they can also char your food to a nasty crisp. And let's not forget about seasoning. It's easy to get it wrong and end up with a flavorless meal. When it comes to grilling, technique is everything. If you don't know how to season your meat properly, you'll end up with a meal that's lacking in flavor. And if you don't know how to control the temperature, you'll end up with burnt or undercooked food. It's a delicate balance, but with the right techniques, you can achieve amazing results. We'll cover key techniques like temperature control, marinating, and the importance of resting meat, while also sharing tips on choosing the right tools for grilling. Temperature control is crucial when it comes to grilling. If your grill is too hot or too cold, it can ruin your meal. We'll show you how to get it just right, so you can achieve perfect results every time. Marinating is another key technique that can take your grilling to the next level. By using the right marinade, you can add flavor and tenderness to your meat, making it a real showstopper at your next BBQ. The moment of truth comes when you learn how to master the grill with our secret trick that ensures juicy and flavorful results every time. This trick is a game changer, and it's surprisingly simple once you know the secret. By following our tips and techniques, you'll be able to grill like a pro in no time. You'll be able to achieve that perfect sear with a juicy interior that's full of flavor. And the best part is, it's not just limited to burgers and hot dogs. You can use these techniques to grill anything from steak to vegetables. The secret to grilling like a pro is all about attention to detail. You need to make sure your grill is clean and well maintained, and that you're using the right tools for the job. You need to choose the right type of meat and season it properly before throwing it on the grill. And you need to be patient and let the grill do its magic. By following these simple tips, you'll be able to achieve amazing results that will impress your friends and family. And the best part is, it's not rocket science. Anyone can do it with a little practice and patience. By applying these hacks, you'll be well equipped to tackle any grilling challenge and serve up delicious meals this summer. By the end of this video, you'll be a grilling master, ready to take on any BBQ challenge that comes your way. So don't forget to like this video, share your own grilling hacks in the comments, and check out our next video on advanced BBQ techniques.